Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today I am going to talk on review of module 2. Let's get into the video. Introduction to requirements engineering. Requirements engineering is a critical process in software development. It involves gathering, analyzing and documenting the requirements for the system. Effective requirements engineering helps ensures that the final product meets user needs. Importance of requirements engineering. Clear requirements help minimize misunderstandings among stakeholders. It serves as a foundation for project planning and resource allocation. Project requirements management can lead to cost savings and improved project outcomes. Phases of requirements engineering. The requirements engineering process typically includes elicitation, analysis, specification, and validation. Elicitation involves gathering requirements from stakeholders through interviews, surveys, and workshops. Each phase builds upon the previous one to ensure that all requirements are accurately captured. Developing use cases. Use cases are a powerful tool for capturing functional requirements for a system. They describe interactions between users and the system through various scenarios, developing clear cases in visualizing user requirements and system functionalities. Components of use cases. A use case typically includes a title, actors, preconditions, and postconditions. It outlines the main success scenario along with alternative paths and exceptions. Each component helps in building a comprehensive understanding of user interactions. Building requirement models. Requirement models provide a structured representation of the system's requirements. Common modeling techniques include UML diagrams, user stories, and prototypes. These models serve as visual aids that help communicate requirements to stakeholders. Types of requirement models. Functional models focus on what the system should do, describing behavior and functions. Non-functional models addressing performance, security, and instability aspects. Both types are essential for delivering a complete and effective system design. Negotiating requirements. Negotiating requirements involves discussion among stakeholders to reach a consensus. It is essential for balancing conflicting needs and priorities from different parties. Effective negotiation leads to a mutually agreeable set of requirements that can be implemented. Techniques for effective negotiation. After active listening and open communication are crucial for understanding stakeholders' perspectives. Setting clear priorities helps in focusing discussions on the most critical requirements. Using collaborative techniques can foster a positive environment for negotiation. Introduction to requirements modeling. Requirements modeling is essential for understanding user needs and system functionalities. It helps in visualizing the requirements and serve as a communication tool among stakeholders. Effective requirements modeling can significantly reduce project risks and improve outcomes. Improve of requirements modeling. Clear requirements can lead to better project planning and resource allocation. It minimizes misunderstandings and discrepancies during the development process. A well documented requirements model enhances traceability and supports future maintenance. Common requirements modeling scenarios. User stories help capture functional requirements from an end user's perspective. Use cases provide a detailed interaction between users and the system. Outline various scenarios. Prototyping allows stakeholders to visualize and experience the system before it is built. Requirements modeling techniques. Data flow diagrams (DFDs) represent data movement within a system, clarifying process. Entity relationship diagrams (ERDs) illustrate data relationships and structures in databases. Unified modeling language (UML) diagrams offer a standardized way to visualize system components. Requirements modeling strategies. Agile methodologies emphasize iterative requirements modeling for flexibility and responsiveness. Waterfall approaches advocate for comprehensive documentation before moving on to the next phase. Hybrid strategies combine elements of both Agile and Waterfall to adapt the project needs. Challenges in requirements modeling. Ambiguous requirements can lead to misinterpretations and project delays. Stakeholder involvement is crucial. Lack of engagement can result in incomplete requirements. Changes in requirements during the project lifecycle can complicate modeling and implementation. Best practices for successful requirements modeling. Engage stakeholders early to gather diverse perspectives and insights. Use visual aids and models to facilitate understanding and discussions around requirements. Regularly review and update requirements models to reflect changes and maintain relevance. Phases of requirements engineering. The requirements engineering process typically includes elicitation, analysis, specification, and validation. Elicitation involves gathering requirements from stakeholders through interviews, surveys, and workshops. Each phase builds upon the previous one to ensure that all requirements are accurately captured. Thank you for watching my video.